Is the Cutie Garden app really the best merge earning app where you can very easily earn great prizes and cash just by playing a small fun game on your phone, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me about this app and wanted to know if it really is as easy to earn as it seems like at first. So therefore I decided to test it myself, and in this Cutie Garden app review I will give you an inside look and show all the details, and there definitely are some very important details you do need to consider, because there just are some things that they do really not want you to know. But we'll go over all that. I'll just pull it up on the screen and then show you how it works and what to be careful of before joining. So I have now logged into the Cutie Garden app, and it seems very interesting at first. Not interesting, but it's very easy at first. You just like pull the different animals on top of each other and then they merge, and sometimes they will not, and then you just have to keep trying them different ones, and when they merge you create new breeds, and then it can all be like a way to earn. You can see you earn points all the time, but then you get these different gifts or different points, and constantly they have these where you need to watch different ads. You can see upgrade, and then you will get to the next level if you just watch an ad, and there's just ads that pop up all the time whatever you do, and that's how they make money. And in my experience anyways, many of the ads are what I would call spammy ads for apps that I would definitely not recommend you to ever use, because they're just completely useless, and they will not make you earn. So that's one thing. They do not have any quality control like that, and there are a lot of ads. So even though it seems easy, you can see the points just go up and up there, then it just takes a lot of patience, because whatever you do, then if you wanna, for example, there's a shop down there, you can see I can click that and get access, and then again I can click mystery box, but I need to watch a video. I'm not going to show you that video because at some point probably pop up anyways, because they also do that randomly. But all these things, no matter what you do, there are these different ads coming up that are just really annoying, and the game in itself quickly becomes a little bit annoying also. But of course, if you could earn really good money by doing it, you can see how quickly it counts the points that I get there. So it seems like a very easy and fast way to earn. So then I could live with it being a little bit weird game if I could actually get some really good earnings. So let's talk about that next. Can you get your earnings out, and how does all that payout system actually work? So the thing is, inside the app you can see there is not any option to go to a payout section. You can click all these options in the top there, and there are no options for that. The settings, it just shows the privacy policy and things like that, and next to it there's some different daily tasks you can do and some different rewards you can claim, again by watching different ads, and you'll probably be tempted to do that. Really do not waste your time watching those ads. They will make a lot of money by you doing that, but as we'll go over, you will probably not earn anything, because there's no payout section. No matter where you go, you even go to the shop at the bottom, you see there's no option. But what I found is that sometimes you'll get a pop-up that talks about different prices you can claim, and then you can open it and you get to the reward center. But then it's actually not where you can claim the points. There's way where you can instead like do these different puzzles. It's exactly like Puppy Town. I have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner. It's the exact same concept, the exact same spammy ads, the exact same like merging to supposedly earn, but not really having a good payout option, not clear terms, no clear conditions and all that. So it's really a poor experience for sure. So I just wanted to make that clear, but let me now just close down the app, and then we can talk a little bit more about this overall, the conclusion about whether you should then actually expect to get paid if you are more patient than me with this app. So I now close down the app, and let me just make it completely clear. This is a complete waste of time. Cutie Garden app is a complete waste of time. There are hundreds of other reviews also, if you look on their Google Play page, that where people share experiences about not being able to get paid and all this, and it's just also a silly game. You will not get paid for that. Of course you can say they make money when we watch these ads, but there's a lot of ads, and they are spammy ads, and they're annoying ads, and the game itself is annoying, and it's not a realistic way to earn. So And then on top of that, there's no clear conditions about how you will get paid. They have a price center if you're lucky enough to get into it, but there also, it's just all based on luck, and they can just always argue, oh, you were not lucky, so you will not get anything. It's just a complete waste of time. You should not expect to get paid. If you want to earn by playing small games, there are legit apps that will allow you to do that. I have also information about that. I will leave a link below so you can check that out. Some of the best options in my experience and opinion, so you can easily get started. But this is definitely not one of the good options. It's a complete waste of time. You should not expect to get paid. And also, if you have any experiences with yourself, then please just share below how much time you ended up wasting to find out you actually would not get paid. I would love to hear about other people's experiences about that as well. But just to sum it all up, in my opinion and experience, and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, Cutie Garden app is one that you should just never install. I will definitely be deleting it right away after recording this video. And I hope this video helped you figure out why you should not waste your time on this particular app. And as mentioned, if you want to see some apps where you can actually earn for free by, for example, playing games, I will leave information about that below this video. But no matter what, I hope it helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time when I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.